Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back, and today I'm just filming like a little short video because I'm in Kansas right now, Marion, Kansas, and it is storming like crazy, like hail and tornado warning and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys that a little bit. So going upstairs to my front door. All right. Oh wow, it's not even storming that bad anymore. It was just like pouring. Can't really see it. Oh.
Is there a lake down there? Usually it floods. It's dripping from above. Look.
Oh no, my camera's getting wet. Oh yeah, we're gonna film some lightning.
Mostly coming from over there.
Oh shoot. Whoa! That was legitness. Yeah, it was.
You need to run out in the yard and come back?
Yeah.
Look at the rain.
Or a raindrop. Drop top. Smoking the cook on a hot pot. Freaking on your girl, she a thought.
Okay. Alright, you ready?
Alright, go. Look at this dude. Look at the top of his head. Oh, now you're really blurry.
Now it's really cold. That light went out. That light pole.
Oh no. Man, focus, you blur bag.
Dude, that's pretty bright.
Okay. Holy freaking cow. Oh my goodness. What?
It shocks him.
Dang it, I hope I got that. That was freaking tight.
Dude, on the news, it said it zapped a building downtown.
Oh my god.
It started right there and said, flash.
I hope that I got that. That was awesome, dude.
And if you're facing this way, it probably caught the reflection.
Oh yeah. Shout out to my grandpa sitting right up there in the couch. It's his birthday. So wish him happy birthday, guys.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Happy birthday.
My dad's. Oh, and that one went out. That one came back on, but that one went out. Oh my freaking goodness, bruh.
Bro, it said.
God, I need like. Oh my. I hope y'all saw that.
Bro,
Jeez.
if only we could set your camera out here where it doesn't get wet.
I know. I wish I had a GoPro.
Time-lapse it.
Wish I had a GoPro. I know somebody. I can get. Pretty sure David let me borrow his GoPro.
Yeah.
Probably not. That'd be awesome.
The car. Look at the raindrops.
Sorry guys, I'm cleaning up the lens. It keeps getting wet.
Look at the raindrops. In the car's headlights.
Man, why is it so blurry?
Blur bang. Whoa, that one's weird looking now. They're both on. Cardigan.
Oh my god, bro. Freaking dude. This is so freaking awesome.
Best storm.
I love Kansas weather.
Shout out to the lightning.
I love Kansas weather, but yet again I don't, because it like picks and chooses when it wants to be warm or cold.
That one went out.
Oh, that one's out.
Dude, it was just hot yesterday.
I know, it was just really, it felt really good yesterday. I can't wait to go to Florida this summer.
No, it's gonna be hot there though.
It's gonna be lit, fam. It's gonna be lit, fam.
I think your camera got wet.
Oh well. Oh my god. I keep missing it.
Aiming up in the sky.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like right here. Sorry guys.
Look, our flowers just bloomed. Now they're just dying.
Here we see.
That one went out. Look, it just split that one.
Raindrop. Drop top. Smoking the cook in a hot box. Freaking on your girl, she had thought. What are you doing, bro?
Oh, pouring this bigger. Ooh, that's cool. Dude, it was just hailing earlier, like, ping pong ball size.
Yeah.
Dude.
Freaking.
You got that.
No, I didn't.
Dude, we could throw ice up and get a ping pong ball.
That was lit, fam.
Like, pew, 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 pew.
I'm gonna be like that one guy, that news reporter, freaks out every time he sees lightning. People who live in Kansas know who I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And the duck waddled away, waddle, waddle. Duck walked up to the lemonade stand and said, "You got any grapes?" No, no.
Wait.
Ah! It's just lightning all over this place. Comment down below if it was storming where you live. I know it came from Topeka and went all the way up through DeSoto and it's going up towards Iowa. So I think it went right by us. We had a tornado warning earlier and like tornado watch. So yeah. But I heard that it's in DeSoto right now and DeSoto is that way. So it's coming this way on a Segway. So yeah. Coolio. So yeah,
I like IKEA and stuff. The lightning, the big one.
yeah, about that. Oh my god! Y'all saw my face light up on that one, didn't you?
They saw the reflection in the door probably.
Dude, that was lit, fam!
Thunder. Wait. It lightning and then it thundered real quick. I'm a news reporter. So it's only like 2 miles away.
Coming back from you, fam.
Okay. It's coming from that way. From DeSoto.
That way, DeSoto.
DeSoto. And
It's traveling over here on a Segway.
it just lightning and it was like 2 seconds, then it thundered. It's like 2 miles away.
2.
2 miles away.
Okay, next time it lightnings, we're gonna count. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4,
No,
5,
it has
6,
to be
7.
that big lightning.
Oh yeah, you're right.
The one that's
Dude,
right in
it's
front
lit,
of us.
fam. Oh my god, my camera's getting really wet. I
It's
hope it
okay.
doesn't mess it up.
It won't.
You don't know that.
It's not getting.
It's not.
Ram.
It's not getting. Ah!
2.
I hope that we saw that.
5.
8, 9, 10. Hit the foot on the start. Hey, no start. Hey, no start. Hey, run a man on that beat. Run a man on that beat. Hey, run a man on that beat.
I had a DJ Kirk.
Dude, what are you doing? Don't you know that there's a tornado warning? Ah!
They're
That
gonna
joke.
drift. They're gonna drift. Watch this. Whoa.
Holy freaking effer cow!
Dude, it knocked that street light out. And the lights.
I know y'all saw that one.
When is it gonna knock our power out? I wanna have it happen. But then you can't upload it for a while. Again.
Yeah, I can. My MacBook.
Oh yeah. Is it charged?
Yeah, man. We're freaking rich, fam.
Wi-Fi.
We got
would,
MacBooks.
Wi-Fi would go down though.
Oh, yeah. No, I got hotspot on my phone. Alright. Ah, it's blurry. Alright, so. You freaking blur bag. Hey, there's Devin. My friend Devin. The black one, not the white one.
He's stupid.
Alright, so I'm gonna end this vlog. So I wouldn't really call it a vlog. I just call it like lit, fam. It's getting lit. Like, it's getting lit. Like, the sky's getting lit, you know?
Whoa.
Oh!
They caught that.
Alright, so I'm gonna end this vlog. Leave a like, subscribe for more videos. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but yeah, that way.
Me too.
Okay, yeah, shout out to my little brother Shane Yoder. And
Whoa.
okay, hold on. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna end this vlog. I already said this. Yeah. I'll be posting tomorrow. And yeah, I'm going to my friend Devin's house and he has like a freaking mansion, so y'all are gonna see that. So